Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share something very special with you. The top breakfast you should eat if you have diabetes. We know that taking care of our health is essential, and breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. But don't worry, I have some delicious and healthy options that you will love. These breakfasts are not only tasty, but they will also help you keep your blood sugar levels under control throughout the morning. Keep watching the video to find out and start your day with the energy and vitality you deserve. Oats. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Opt for whole oats and add fresh fruits or nuts. Low-fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and can be a great option to maintain satiety. Choose options low in fat and without added sugar. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein. You can prepare scrambled or boiled eggs. Avoid adding large amounts of fat and salt. Whole wheat bread. Opt for whole wheat bread instead of white bread. Whole wheat bread is a healthier source of carbohydrates and provides fiber. Fruits. Fresh fruits are a good choice, but it is important to control portions due to their natural sugar content. Apples, pears, or berries are good choices. Nuts. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or peanuts can be a good addition to breakfast, providing healthy fats and protein. Low-fat cheese. Low-fat cheese can be an additional source of protein. Add it in moderation to your meals. Tofu. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, tofu is an excellent source of protein. You can incorporate it into smoothies or as part of a savory dish. Vegetables. Consider adding vegetables such as spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms to your eggs or smoothies to increase the amount of fiber and nutrients in your breakfast. Green smoothies. Making a smoothie with spinach, protein powder, and low-sugar fruits can be a great way to get a lot of nutrients in a single breakfast. Remember that it is important to control portions, monitor your glucose levels, and speak with a healthcare professional or diabetes nutritionist to adjust your diet according to your individual needs. Don't forget to follow me, like it, save this video. Thank you.